Fanatic Tree Reviews, and today I'm doing a little tiny PR unboxing. This is a whole bunch of random items, like this one from Smiley 360. I don't even know what this is. I have no idea. I'm going to find out, though. We're going to find out together, and I brought my scissors with me so I don't have to pause the video. How are you guys? What's up? What's new? What are you guys doing? Do you live in, like, where it's hot right now? Because it's really hot where I live right now. So, this is Arm & Hammer Simply Saline Instant Relief for everyday congestion. So when you get allergy congestion and stuff like that, this is a drug-free, non-drowsy nasal mist safe for day and night. New look. Look at that little... I think I've seen something like this before. That same tip. So that's from Smiley 360. I'm going to link down below to my reviewer page. I always do that in case you're trying to find companies that send out free products in exchange for reviews. That's all you have to do with this stuff. You'll have to do some social sharing, maybe on Facebook with your friends. You'll have to talk about it with people you know, like I'm talking about it to you right now, just to get the word out about products. So this is Better Sleep, Moisturizing Dry Nose, Clear Congestion. There you go. Like when you sign up, they're going to ask you a whole bunch of questions about like things that problems you have. Like maybe you get like dry nose or something at night, or like I think I've talked to you guys about this from the air conditioning. Like I get like this weird, you hear my voice? It's dry and the air was dry. It's actually really humid right now, but anyway, you know what I mean. All right. So this is from Influenster. If you're not familiar with Influencer, it's another company that sends free items in exchange for reviews and things like that. I have not gotten anything from them in forever. I just got this email from them the other day. It was like, you're in, and it's from Ole Henriksen, not Hendrickson. So Influencer is a free, there's an app, there's a website, whatever. You sign on, you log in, you tell them a little bit about you, they ask you some questions, and then they give you free items. So this is some skincare. It's a Vox box. So they send out Vox boxes. I will link to them as well. They're also on my reviewer page though. So this is the Glow Cycle Retin Alt Power Serum. I'm going to try this out. So hello results, goodbye retinol with Bakuchiol, a natural retinol alternative. So if you're familiar with retinol, I've talked about retinol on my channel so many times. Retinol is pretty amazing in my opinion. Look. Okay, can I get it out here? I'm going to put it on. Dang nabbit. So, retinol is, however, if you wear it, you should not go out in the sun because it can be drying and you can also get, like, you know, sunburn. So, you have to be careful. So, I'm hoping that this is a good alternative in that you can... Is it like that? I don't know how it goes. I'll have to figure it out. So anyway, it's cute though, look. And I guess it's H for Henriksen with the O is that circle outside of it. So anyway, that's what it is, right? It's a hair thing, a hair bobber. I'll have to figure out how to use it though. Okay, beyond all that. So this is apparently an alternative to that. I do not know the price for this. I will look it up and put it down below. I'll try this out, and if you guys are interested, I'll do a full review. I love retinol because it reduces fine lines and stuff, but it also makes my skin, I feel like, more taut. Looking over at I'm being nosy looking at my neighbors. It just I feel like it makes my skin more taut and more, I don't know, nicer, you know? So, I'm still looking, I'm so nosy. And anyway, here it is. I love the bottle, it's glass. So it's like really high quality. This, I bet, is really expensive. I don't know the price. I should have looked before I made this video though. So, Glow Alt Retin Alt Power Serum, but Bakuchiol with an AHAs, which is lactic acid. So I think that's... Ooh, it's purple. It doesn't, oh wow, this is interesting. It's purple. I've never used a purple skin. I've pumped out a whole bunch. So this is, by the way, a 1 fluid ounce bottle, age-fighting facial serum, Directions: apply evenly to face and neck daily, gently massaging in an upward circular motion for external use only. Use as directed to avoid contact with eyes. In case of contact with eyes, rinse immediately. So I'm going to test this out. I have to say, like, I'm a visual. I'm very, like, influenced by the characteristics of a product and the characteristics of, it has a light orange smell. It is very purple though. Like, I used a lot, like that was a big squirt. You probably only need a little dot. And I just don't want like a purple hue on my skin, you know? It did go, I did moisturize it in, rub it in. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? So there's that. All right. Finally, what do we have here? This is some underwear. So these are Catherine Malandrino. Let me just rip this. Underwear. Purchase these on Amazon. I think they're $19.99. I'm going to link you to the product below. They do have 2 different color selections. These were sent to me for review as well. So here, holy smokes, there's a lot in here. So there are one, see, aren't they pretty? Now they're all going to look, the style is going to be the same, but the color is going to change. So there's 1, 2, and they do have the tag in there. This purple. There was like a set with like nudes and pinks. Is this the one? I don't remember. Lavender, a baby, like a periwinkle blue type color. This dusty rose sort of mauve color, mauve. So there's 4, and then this mint, pretty, I love this mint, it's so pretty. 5, and 6. So there's 6 pairs in here total. They're $19.99. I will link to them below so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think of this stuff down below. I'll see you next time. Bye!